connecting people with people, cities with cities, and nations with nations. Civil engineering connects everything in the world. Wherever you go, you'll see that civil engineering is closely embedded in your daily life. Opening safe roads anywhere in the world with cutting-edge technology and material. Changing maps and creating energy by using nature. Safe, cutting-edge technology that sends you anywhere you want, may it be underground or the ocean floor. If yesterday's civil engineering pursued practicality, now it pursues beauty. If yesterday's civil engineering source was simple strength, now it's cutting-edge technology. Changing what's old into new, with safe technology that goes well with nature, we will open a new world for people. Korean Society of Civil Engineers.